learn our ABCs. Counted up 1, 2, 3. Yes, I believe in me. When I read, I lead. I can achieve my dreams. I can be what I wanna be. Come on this journey with me. Oh, Omari's always says what we learn about French food and Omari's always says what we learn about French food and new culture.
Hi, I'm Omari, and welcome back to Reading with Omari. Today, we're going to learn about a special letter team, OW. The cool thing about OW is that it can make 2 different sounds. Sometimes it can say O, like in snow, and sometimes it could say ow, like in cow. Listen carefully. Snow. Cow. Do you hear how ow sounds different in each word? Let's learn how to tell them apart. Words like snow and low have the long O sound. Can you say these words with me? Low, grow, throw. Now, words like cow and how have the ow sound. Let's say these together. How, now, owl. Let's practice reading some owl words together. I'll say a word and you tell me if it sounds like snow or cow. Show.
Snow.
Plow.
Cow.
Toe.
Snow.
Glow.
Snow.
Bow. Uh-oh, I got you there. B-O-W can be bow as in a pretty ribbon, or bow as in to say hi or show respect. Some words can change based on how we use them. Now let's sort some words. I'll say a word and you tell me if it belongs in the snow group or the cow group. Yellow.
Snow.
Owl.
Cow.
Flow.
Snow.
Brown.
Cow.
Toe.
Snow.
Wow! Great listening. Now let's listen to some music while taking a dance break!
Come with me, let's learn our ABCs. Counted up 1, 2, 3. Yes, I believe in me. When I read, I
Wow, you did an awesome job with learning the ow sound today. Remember, ow can say O, like in snow, or ow, like in cow. See how many ow words you can find in the world around you. Inspire the masses. Bye-bye!